Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use potassium humate for plants. Dilute potassium humate to the recommended strength and apply as a soil drench or foliar spray based on plant type. Begin with a low dose and observe plant response for 1 to 2 weeks before increasing concentration. Combine with compost and beneficial microbes to improve structure and nutrient uptake, and always follow label directions to avoid overapplication. Mix potassium humate thoroughly using clean water and precise measurements to prevent sediment and equipment issues. Apply during cool morning or evening hours to minimize evaporation and plant stress, and avoid spraying in hot sun. Alternate soil drench and foliar applications suited to crop stage, and pair with beneficial microbes to increase nutrient cycling. Track plant health and adjust frequency based on visible improvement and soil testing results over time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical gardening tips. On another note, quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is great for long garden sessions, keeps water cold, and has a reliable spill-proof lid, perfect for dirty hands. Check the description for the Owala link and other deals. Pick one up if it helps your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Always adhere to label rates for concentration and frequency to prevent nutrient imbalance or plant burn. Use personal protective equipment like gloves and goggles when handling concentrated powders or liquids to protect skin and eyes. Keep products sealed in a cool, dry area away from direct sunlight and children. Consider soil testing seasonally to tailor potassium humate use, and document applications so you can fine-tune timing and rates for different crops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.